Hi everybody, and welcome back to my page. Today I will be creating a template for a mini vending machine for my niece for Easter. I actually already created the front and sides of the box, but I wanted to edit some of the things before I print, and I need to create a top and bottom for my box. This is the front that I already created and I'm happy with it, so I'm just going to leave it like this. So this is what the back is going to look like. I'm just going to make the background darker, and previously when I created this design, the images were too light, so I'm just going to darken the transparency a little. When I first started making vending machine boxes, I purchased my templates from Etsy. But this template I created on my own using measurements from a previous template that I purchased from Etsy. So this is what my two sides is going to look like. I'm just going to darken the background here as well. So I'm just going to add another page, and here is where I'm going to create the bottom of the box. I'm going to make it a little darker than the sides, the front and the back, and I'm going to add some Easter eggs and make them different shapes. I'm using Canva, and I have used Canva in the past for my vending machines, but I'm still new to Canva, so I'm still learning. So for this particular vending machine, all the designs that I'm using is coming from Canva. I didn't import any pictures or any designs from any other web pages because I just wanted to make a quick, simple, easy box. The next box that I create, I'm going to add pictures. So if you want to see your face, send me an order and I'll create a box for you. Here you can see I'm just trying to place the eggs on the page the way I want them and change the sizes of the eggs. Also, I need to change the background to a darker color so that it looks nice. So now that I'm done with my designs, I'm just going to print only page 3, 4, and 5 because there's other templates on my page. When I get ready to print, I'm going to change the layout from landscape to portrait mode and change the paper to high resolution paper. You can see here my page printing. That's page 2. I've already printed page 1, and we're all done. I'll be back with another video showing how I create the box, and always remember to like, comment, and subscribe.